Having access to clean and safe drinking water is crucial for maintaining good health. With the presence of contaminants in our water supply, investing in a reliable water purifier for our homes has become a necessity. The Exprt MR2034 quality Undersink water filter system is one such option that offers advanced filtration capabilities and easy installation. One of the key advantages of the Exprt MR2034 water filter system is its straightforward installation process. The push-to-connect fittings make the installation quick and hassle-free. Additionally, the twist and lock design ensures that replacing each under-counter water filter is a breeze. The package includes a clear installation manual and instructional videos to assist users in setting up the system correctly. Furthermore, lifetime technical support is available to provide assistance whenever needed. When it comes to water quality, the Exprt MR2034 water filter system excels. Its 4-stage ultrafiltration filter utilizes innovative technology to remove over 99.99% of contaminants, including lead, heavy metals, chlorine, chromium 6, mercury, rust, volatile organic compounds, carcinogens, and other impurities. The result is clean and pure water that tastes great. What sets this system apart is its ability to retain essential minerals while eliminating harmful substances, ensuring that the water you drink is healthy and beneficial. In addition to its filtration capabilities, the Exprt MR2034 water filter system is a cost-effective solution. By using this Undersink water filter, you can significantly reduce or eliminate the need to purchase bottled water, saving you money in the long run. Each filter can last up to 12 months when used with municipal water, making it a cost-efficient option. Unlike reverse osmosis systems that produce wastewater, this system does not impact your water pressure and creates no wastage. Overall, the Exprt MR2034 quality Undersink water filter system is a reliable and effective solution for obtaining clean and healthy drinking water at home. Its easy installation process, advanced filtration technology, and cost-effectiveness make it a practical choice for homeowners. By investing in this system, you can enjoy the convenience of having purified water straight from your tap, without the need for bottled water or wasteful filtration methods. It is important to prioritize the quality of our drinking water, and the Exprt MR2034 water filter system offers a practical and efficient way to achieve this. With its ability to remove contaminants, retain essential minerals, and save costs, this Undersink water filter system provides a reliable source of clean and purified water for you and your family. Make the investment in a water purifier like the Exprt MR2034 and enjoy the benefits of safe and great tasting water in your home. That's the real secret. What you may not realize is just how efficient such a simple innovative system is, as it interested the need of buying expensive bottled water or going through the hassle of drilling a new well. And thanks to this breakthrough technology, you can now literally drink from the enormous lakes in the air. The water is purified and the unique system can produce up to 30 gallons of clean, fresh water a day, and you won't have to worry about all the nasty chemicals ever again. The fundamentals are so easy, and if properly applied, you can have a virtually unlimited water supply anywhere, even if you live in the desert.